In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automation rules in Trello using Butler. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, projects, and workflows. But did you know you can take your productivity to the next level by automating repetitive actions? With Butler, Trello's built-in automation tool, you can create custom rules to save time and streamline your processes. Whether you're managing a team or just organizing your personal projects, automation can help make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. Enter your Trello credentials, your email and password, or if you prefer, you can use a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft for a quick and seamless login. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Trello dashboard. From here, access your Trello workspace, which is the central hub for all your boards and projects. Next, locate the board you want to automate and click on it to open it. Now that you're inside your chosen board, look to the top right corner again, where you'll see 3 dots. Clicking on these will open the board menu. From the menu options, select Automation. This will take you to the Butler interface, where all the magic of automation happens. In the Butler interface, locate and click on Rules. This is where you'll create the automation rule that will save you time and effort. Once you're in the Rules section, click the Create Automation button to begin building your custom rule. The first step in creating your automation rule is selecting a trigger. A trigger is the event that will activate your rule. For example, you might choose a trigger like when a card is moved to a specific list. This tells Trello what to look out for to start your automation. After selecting a trigger, it's time to choose the actions. Actions are what Trello will do automatically when the trigger occurs. You can select a single action or multiple actions depending on your needs. For example, you might want Trello to add a specific label, move the card to another list, or assign a team member to the card. Once you've set your trigger and actions, take a moment to review the summary of your rule. This summary will outline how your rule will behave, so double-check that everything looks accurate and works the way you intend. After reviewing, give your rule a clear and descriptive name. This will make it easy to identify your automation later, especially if you create multiple rules for your board. When you're happy with everything, click Save to finalize your automation rule. Congratulations, your rule is now live. To ensure everything is working smoothly, monitor your board and test the rule by performing the trigger action you set. For instance, if your trigger involves moving a card to a specific list, try doing that and watch as Trello performs the actions you defined automatically. It's also a good idea to check your board permissions. Make sure you know who in your workspace has the ability to create or edit automation rules, as this can impact how your board operates. Finally, if you're on a Trello plan with monthly automation limits, track your automation usage to ensure you stay within your plan's limits. This will help you avoid any disruptions in your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created an automation rule in Trello using Butler. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.